4% max drawdown? Hey there, legends, welcome back to the channel. I'm genuinely thrilled too. Have you here today? Let's dive into something exciting and make this session a win. Today, we're unpacking the powerful Phoenix Blizzard. This one's making serious waves in the trading space with stellar reviews and outstanding user feedback. The original market price sits at $1,599, but here is the kicker: you can get it today on unlockea.com for just $20. You can conveniently pay using crypto or go with your credit, debit card, whatever suits you best. All relevant links are down below in the description and pinned comment. Now, let's dive into the live performance and see it in action. Achieved over 36% total growth. 4% max drawdown. Now, let's fire up MT4 and explore how this AI performs in a live trading environment. Theory, just real action. Let's take a closer look at the input settings. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments.